What is going on, guys? You're probably wondering what the heck is chaos gardening, and the easiest way to explain it is basically gardening without planning anything. You know, you're not trying to be perfect at all, and it's probably the most stress-free way of gardening. So this growing season, I decided to try chaos gardening with carrots. I hear all the time how carrots are very difficult to grow if you don't get the seed starting phase properly, you know, having the right depth for the seed, the spacing, the watering, keeping it moist. Apparently germination is difficult. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my results of trying chaos gardening with carrots. So the variety of carrots I'm trying to grow this season are half-long carrots. So not only did I try the chaos garden, but I also tried it the way that everyone recommends, is making 2 rows, well, 1 row, certain depth, half an inch, and covering it up and then keeping it moist. So you can see all the carrots germinated pretty well, pretty decently. But look over here though. These carrots are from chaos gardening. Look at this one. If you compare the two, just look at the leaves on this one. They are growing a lot better and a lot faster compared to the one over here. Now the one over here, I covered it with soil. I kept it moist the entire time. Over here, I just threw seeds everywhere. You know, these 3 containers here, I just threw seeds on top. Didn't cover them at all. Kept it moist the entire time. And I think they're actually growing a lot better than the ones where I actually plant things out, you know? So don't stress yourself over trying to be perfect. You know, I literally just threw seeds everywhere and now the carrots are growing. So one thing I will have to do as the carrots grow would be thinning them out so that way there is space for them to grow. But if you are having a big field where you can just chaos garden the carrots all over the place, then you can, you know, avoid having to thin them out. You know, that's one way to do it. But this is just my example or my results of trying the meticulous way as well as the chaos gardening way. And I gotta tell you, the chaos gardening way is so much easier, so much better. I don't stress about my carrots germinating or anything like that. And we'll see how it grows, you know, in a couple weeks. Hopefully this video gives you another point of view on how to garden and that you don't have to follow everything by the books, you know? If you find this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and remember guys, happy gardening.